Hello, respectable audience. 30 divided by 3 minus 3 times 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 times 2 will be equal to 0. So 30 divided by 0 is equal to 0 or infinity. Okay? But this order of operation is wrong. So first, we have to divide. This division will be solved first, and this multiplication will be solved secondly, and this subtraction will be solved at third place. Okay, so first of all, we will solve this division. 30 divided by 3 will be equal to 10 minus 3 times 2. Now, it's turn off multiplication because it is second operation. So now we will solve this multiplication. We will get 10 minus 3 times 2 will be equal to 6. And now, it's turn off subtraction. So 10 minus 6 will be equal to 4. Hence, 4 who will be our correct answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my channel.